but teaspoon by teaspoon, cup by cup. So even if you're baking,
We get this honey. This honey.
Excuse me? Look how much stuff we brought in the house and look how much stuff is in the car. But I love her anyway, even she's a big pain in the butthole. A real scotch. Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning. Look at my hair, guys. Tammy is cooking early. All I smell at 4 o'clock in the morning is like cooking here. It's like, what is that? I don't smell the smoking. I smell all the food. He is making some
Chicken? Look in the refrigerator.
He want me to look in the refrigerator. Oh my god, how many chicken you got?
Those are chicken tenders, these are chicken thighs.
Why are you making a lot of chicken?
I don't know. Chicken seems to be the only thing left to make now. You don't want me to have pork, Doctor don't want me to have beef.
Oh, Tommy.
You need to take home with you.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
Because I'm cooking. No, look at that. This is the problem.
Yeah, you are. Is that much chicken?
No, because you cook. That's your problem. It's your time to
Right.
eat.
So you take home with you, you have nice
No,
chickens.
you cook. It's not my fault. You eat everything. Because I'm going to cook the pork roast over there Saturday with Lloydie and Lou. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do? I'm going to drink water. Oh, it's freezing cold here. I'm not feeding you. You are such a bad girl. Early in the morning.
I watched the dishes on the counter.
Ha?
I watched the dishes on the counter.
Good morning, guys. Ito yung mga nagluluto na ng itlog. I smell also the thing.
Also what then?
When I smell the food upstairs, I said, my God, the food that I bring from the house.
I thought you said that we were a bunch of losers.
It's 6 o'clock, guys, in the morning. Kagabi ba, natulog kami. Tinitignan niya ako sa bed. Tinitignan niya ako. Ito pala yung tinitignan niya.
Yakos.
Ito pala yung tinitignan niya, guys. Ay, nako. Sabi niya, familiar daw. Sa ina mo ito, oy.
Everything's washed already. I washed the little grill that I use, the electric grill. I washed the broiler pan I use. The only thing that's not washed, I washed cutting boards and the countertop. The only thing that's not washed is the pan. Morning, guys.
He's cooking. He is like, it's so early, guys.
Yeah, sorry. Make it coffee. Or I'll make it coffee.
I don't, I just it's too freaking early. I said I'm gonna drink whatever I want to drink. Water. I did, but... Hi guys. Dito tayo sa living room. Ano tayo? Kuha tayo ng mga DVD. Iwan ko kung DVD ba ito pangalan. Basta kay ito. Ilagay natin sa bin. Ilagay natin dito. Oh, this is not gonna... I think... It's gonna be heavy. This is not gonna carry. This is not good. This is good only for clothing. Or shoes. So, what's in here? Elvis Presley. I don't want Elvis Presley. Tommy love Elvis. The Incredibles. There is different kind of movies here. From the Critter, ano? Ay, nako, mga original ba? Sayang man ito itapon, eh. Sayang man. Hanap tayo yung mga ano. The Spanish Prisoner. This one, I don't know anong pangalan nito. This is not DVD. This is not a CD. This is Han! What's the name of this? Is it DVD? CD?
The music or video?
The movies.
DVD.
DVDs? There is different kind here too.
What?
They're all DVDs?
Music or
Shakespeare's in Love. Hala! Shakespeare's in Love. Dalhin ko to sa bahay. Running Scared. Mga magandang movie man ito, guys. It's nothing bad about this. Hala. It's nothing bad sa mga movies here. Magaganda sila. Ito dalawa dalawang movie. This is the Brave. Oh my God, Braveheart, guys. Look. Mga original man itik, eh. Dito pa to sa Pilipinas. Nako talaga. Dalhin ko to sa bahay. Ito siya dalhin sa bahay. This box. And ito pa malaki. Marami pa dito, guys. Pinalabas na niya man yun yung mga aso.
Right?
Why you let them out? Roxy's already looking in there. Natiligo pa si Tami. Plano siyang magpunta daw sa Costco. So sabi ko, my God, takot ako magpunta sa Costco, guys. Kasama siya. Alam niyo ba kung bakit? Alam niyo na. Alam niyo na. Ang dami kasing bilihin sa Costco kapag magpunta ka. Totoo naman talaga, kapag magpunta ka sa Costco, ang daming temptation, guys. Grabe, ang daming pwedeng bilhin. Ang daming pwedeng basta. Pero ang plano namin, punta kami doon para kukuha ng mga pang bathroom, mga paper towel, tissue, and I'm sure gusto kong bumili doon ng lamb kasi may paborito kaming lamb doon eh. Mahal lang siya, $13. Matagal-tagal na rin akong hindi. Alam nyo naman, kung matagal na kayo sa YouTube ko, dito sa dito sa channel ko, yun yung talagang paborito ko noon, croissants from Costco. It's very buttery. It's butter. It's like a lot of butter. It's moist. It's so good. Alis tayo, guys. Be ready na that we can go. Oh my God. Let's go. Doon sa computer niya, guys. May kanina pa yan. May ginagawa. Kaloka talaga itong asawa ko. Paminsan talaga makaingon kag aray ko din ako. Aray ko din ako. Ayaw mas buhay na ganito. Ayaw mas buhay na ganito. Joke lang. Joke lang. Kayo talaga. Ano to? Binili ito ni Bianan, oh. Puzzle. Wala, ang ganda niya, guys. Puzzle siya, guys, oh. Vase. Somebody put it together. It should be really, need to. I think somebody bought it and gave it to mom. Because I think when she was in the hospital. Because look. Somebody. It's another puzzle. It's another puzzle. Somebody gave this to her. I don't know. I think it's Isabel. Yung bunso nila. Yung doon siya sa nursing home na board siya. Oo nga. Kasi may mga crayon. May crayon, may book. GoPro yung dalhin natin para hindi tayo halata. Yeah, halata. I'm ready and I want you to be ready. 1, 2,
Talk about shoes.
3,
4. Shut the door.
4,
5, 6. Pick up sticks.
5.
7, 8. Don't be late.
You're stupid, Danny. Oh my God.
9, 10. Do it again.
2, 3,
6,
4,
9,
5,
12,
6,
15,
7,
18,
8,
17,
9, 10.
32,
Let's go.
64, 256.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Jets. Let's go Jets. Let's go Mets. Let's go Jets. Let's go Mets.
You promise, ha? No spending too much over there. We're just gonna get what we need, okay? Tommy?
That's what I'm gonna get. What I need.
You know, I know you all gonna say, I need this. I need everything you see in there. Please control. And my husband is used to me driving him.
What she doesn't tell you guys every time we get in the car. Well, I'm gonna drive. So then I automatically assume she's working in this car and she wants to drive.
I like this place. You know what? I keep looking at the house. I said, what if we really gonna have this house? But the only thing is, I think that mortgage of the house is like 100.
Mortgage is very low.
100, right? 100, I think, because. And then I was thinking of the too much fixing it. The house is too much. Like need to be fixed. Everything is ruined. The ceiling is there's a leaking from the bathroom. That's too much. We have to change the floor. The floor mat need to be wood. I want it wood. And I don't want you to do anything anymore. Knowing you for 12 years, you start this and never finish it. everything. You make a hole in the ceiling, you forget. You make a hole on the floor to go to the basement. In our house, you don't finish. All you have to do is, you know, like start and forget. That's why if ever that's going to happen, like fixing stuff in the house, that should be like hiring somebody, not like you doing it yourself, because we cannot. There's police.
We gotta turn here.
There's a police over here.
Yeah.
Hello, they're building something here, guys. Ashley, open. Oh, this is a big Ashley.
Oh, this is up there.
Yeah, but oh, okay. So what is this?
I don't know. I guess Costco closed down.
Coming soon. What is this? Coming soon, Suffolk. Build Mart. Hala, Suffolk. What is that, Suffolk?
Building a fitness center.
That's a big fitness center. Hala, this is so big. This is a new one here. Wow, hon. We've never been here for a long time. Oh, wow. This is so big.
These can't all be corporate people.
No, I'm talking about that this is a
But
really
it used to
big...
be 11 o'clock for regular customers and 10 o'clock for corporate. So we get an hour earlier. You know, people have like food carts and crap like that.
Okay, let's go. Oh, sorry. Hintayin ko lang si Tami kasi ano, ang tagal. Hinintay namin yung babae, kinuha ko yung cart niya. Ako yung nag-ano, dun siya. Ang ginaw, guys.
That is ridiculous.
This is where from? Where from?
What's your sister?
No, it's expensive.
40 bucks.
Yeah, I know it's
Yeah, but for
expensive.
how many pounds? Look how many pounds? 4 pounds.
Yeah, no, let's
That's
go.
cheap for 4 pounds.
It's very not a lot of people here.
That's $10 a pound.
Oh, look, I'm gonna get the... Oh, sorry. Mango, guys. Oh, under here. No, they're all the same. You know what?
I mean, some of them are a little greener than other ones, but
Yeah, just get this one, hun.
that's the most yellow. That's the least amount of green in that one. This one's got look.
Okay, that one.
Wow, got smaller.
I know, I see.
Very
How
slightly
much?
higher.
Higher? It's crazy.
There you go.
That's it, that's it.
Yeah, the bottle used to be this big.
I know, I remember. Oh, that's the same. That's olive oil.
Yeah, but it's not extra virgin.
It's not. They're same brand.
I know, but it's not extra virgin.
Oh. That's it, Tommy. Keep going. Follow.
That's a good price.
Now how much?
$12.
$12.
For
I know.
12 cans. 12 cans.
How many? 12.
That's $1 a can. And they're 7-ounce cans. The ones you get in the store are 5 ounce.
And how much
So
each?
this is like 1.5 times the size. Of
Okay, whatever. You just like.
I'm just saying these are you know, in the store you pay like $2 a piece for less.
This is what I said. This is not what we came here for. But ito yung binili na, guys. Hindi yung binili namin, pero look. Tignan nyo naman yan. Let's go. Let's find sugar here. Last and then we go. Good. Tignan nyo to, guys. That's not the plan.
Definitely not a sugar aisle.
There you go. Ito yung hinanap namin, guys. Hindi namin makita. Ito pala. It's right here. get two? Hmm?
I get 3.
Why?
You take 2.
Here. Okay, let's go. May mango tayo, guys. Look. Mango. Masarap ito. Milk, mango shake. What?
No artificial anything. All natural. $8.99. Great sugar substitute. No glycemic effect. 0 calories. Monk fruit. Been used for thousands of years.
Is that sugar, hun?
Use it teaspoon by teaspoon, cup by cup. Try some. Use it just like you would white sugar. Try some. Take a package home. No bitter aftertaste like stevia. Not artificial like Equal or Splenda. Try some. Take a package home.
Oh, don't throw that garbage.
All natural. No bitter aftertaste. Try some. Take a package home. $8.99. Cook with it. Bake with it. Teaspoon by teaspoon. Cup by cup.
How much is it?
$8.99. Use just like you would sugar in your coffee, your tea, your sweetener.
Look, hun, we just did this thing.
No calories. No calories, 0 sugar, and 0 glycemic effect.
Tommy, just do one. Just try one,
Just
Tommy.
like this. You use it,
Tommy, just try one, please.
yeah, teaspoon, but teaspoon by teaspoon, cup by cup. So even if you're baking, it's not like the
measure
others
the
where,
same.
right, you measure exactly the same, and no bitter aftertaste.
Give it a shot.
Yeah, dami ng tao ngayon, oh. Magpa-file na yon. Dami. Ganyan na. Okay, you go line. Guys, may nag-aaway dito, guys. Yung dalawang lalaki, nabundol niya yung isang lalaki. Galit na galit yung nabundol. Nagsuri na nga yung isa. Galit, hala, we get this car. It's not gonna go fit. I cannot open it.
You did.
Time to put all this.
To be front.
You think that's gonna go into the back? The back seat? Oh, let's go to the house. The sugar and the oil.
Like this.
What? We are back, and here's the thing. That's what we got. I hope you see what we got from Costco. And Tommy spent like almost 600, 556 something, la la la. So that's what he spent at Costco. So, but yeah, that's what we got. I hope you see it. So yun. And look, this is a good salmon thing. And also, this is the best cooked pork that they have. It's expensive, but you know what? Yummers. And also, I got the croissant. Sugar substitute from the fruit. I don't like that substitute because it end up tastes different. Just like with the salt, the same thing with the salt. They have substitute salt.
Yeah, but salt substitute is just as bad for you. It's just high potassium.
Yeah, but you think this one because the woman is a cooker?
Glycemic index is what you want to watch. 0 glycemic index.
Okay.
0 net carbs, 0 calories.
So, yun yung nagastos. Every time na magpunta kami talaga sa Costco, guys, it's like crazy amount.
And we got very little.
Now, look at you. Han, can we get this? Han, can we do that? Han, can we get this, honey? This, honey?
Excuse
this.
me? Look how much stuff we brought in the house and look how much stuff is in the car. Oops. I went there for tuna fish, sugar, toilet paper, and paper towels. That's what I went there for. The only thing else I added to that was the oil because I forgot about the oil that we won't need. And the turkey for the kids.
So the rest is that, the rest is mine?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Oops.
The sugar, hon. Oh, hon, pick this, honey. This one, honey. This. That's you.
What food did I pick?
The tuna, the pork.
What there for tuna?
The pork. No,
I'm sorry, who picked the pork?
guys.
Who picked the lamb? Oh no. Who picked the salmon? I'm sorry.
You did the salmon. You did the salmon.
No. Who? No. I got it. You said, oh yeah, I want the stuffed one. I don't eat salmon.
Never again. Never again going to Costco with you. The only thing with Costco, guys, they don't freaking accept American Express. They only accept Visa. Why they don't accept American Express?
I don't know. They had a fall out of American Express because they decided they should get a better rate than American Express.
I'm cooking tomorrow pork Saturday.
I know that.
Then you have something for weekends for your salad.
You better save your pizza to chicharron.
What is chicharron?
The skin.
That will probably fulfill it. Okay, what are you gonna say about these people telling me that I'm not appreciative? I'm yelling at you that why you give me this expensive jewelry and I don't even thankful.
That's not true, guys. She's grateful. She just she knows financially things are not great, so she doesn't want money spent. But she really wants it. She just doesn't want me to know she really wants it.
Because we have things to be prioritized, right?
Right. Kind of like life. I figured, your wife deserves to have something nice once in a while. Not for anything, can't afford to give expensive stuff all the time, but once in a while you can do something nice.
Why you're not looking here?
Well, look at what I'm doing with my stuff. Don't feel like she's really not appreciative. She just says that stuff.
Return
like,
this, return
take
this.
it back. I don't want it. Take it back.
But because it's really expensive though, it's like...
As far as jewelry goes, I don't like buying crap. We got other things to worry about. So we cut back on other things, like food. We don't need to eat, really. Who needs to eat?
You're right.
I need to lose weight, so we don't need to eat.
Yeah, you keep buying food.
But I love her anyway, even she's a big pain in the butthole. A real scotch. When I got it for you, I told you, said, oh, no. And I told you, no, you should have something nice once in a while. So,
Somebody said in the comment like, Tommy spent it because he just got a lot of money from his mother.
yeah, no, that money's going to keep paying bills here.
No, I don't want people to think that you spend that because you have a lot of money from that. But
for
no.
20 years, I paid all her bills because she was so worried about being broke and being old and broke. So I used to pay all her bills for 20 years because I didn't want her to live with that stress.
So guys, I'm thankful, okay? I'm so thankful that Tommy thought of me. And I'm always thankful even though I get mad of him doing it. I'm very thankful. But it's like I can't also stop worrying about the other priorities. The MRI thingy that he doesn't even contact yet. What are you cooking?
Side dish.
Side dish, what is this? What is this?
Pasta with turkey meatballs.
I don't like meatballs.
You do?
Turkey meatballs. Dinner, guys. Tommy's chicken, he cooked it this morning. 4 o'clock in the morning. It's juicy, hon.
I can do it, chicken breast.
Where the heck?
Wow, that takes commitment.
Pork from Costco that we got today.
So they were working out their anger issues.
What are these?
It's always good.
It's gonna be okay. There's two, okay?
If you live here,
Maybe not.
this
One.
area,
One. That's it.
Or weeks.
go to Costco.
Or, I get it.
Get this pork. Tastes like lechon. Better than lechon. So ngayon, I'm going to end the vlog, han. Yan, busy si Tamimoy. I'm going to end the vlog. Good night, guys. It's 6 o'clock na. Good night, and I will see you tomorrow. Maaga kami nito. And yun. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night. See you tomorrow, rocks. We're gonna go home tomorrow, right? We're going home tomorrow. We are going home. Yeah, we're si Dimple or Nabdi Bag. We're going to see Dimple or Nabdi Bag. Anyway, guys, good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night, guys.